Ready to level up your Facebook streams with professional overlays and seamless integration. First, open Streamlabs desktop. If you don't have it, download and install it from Streamlabs. It's free. Now, look for the login button in the bottom left corner. Click on it. You'll see a few different login options. Choose the blue Facebook icon. A Facebook login window will pop up. Enter your Facebook email or phone number and password. Then click Login. Facebook will ask you to grant Streamlabs certain permissions. Make sure to review them, and click Continue as your name to proceed. This allows Streamlabs to stream to your pages. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu within Streamlabs desktop. You'll find it in the bottom left corner. Looks like a gear icon. Then, select Stream from the left-hand menu. In the Stream settings, look for Streaming Platform. Click the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Facebook Live. A new Stream to option will appear. Click the drop-down menu and choose the specific Facebook page you want to stream to. You might need to be an admin of the page. And that's it. You're now connected. Configure your stream settings, add your webcam, alerts, and overlays. Then click the Go Live button to start streaming directly to your Facebook page. Happy streaming!